Okay, so everyone knows that this Power Wheels build here that I've done, the red Corvette. Got the blue Corvette also, but the new car that I just finished up with the help of my buddy Dave Bybee, the paint man. So I'm getting ready to release this showing of the new car, and I hope everybody likes it. This started out as a number 20 Tony Stewart car. It was faded pretty bad, no decals. The decals were bad, and I put my head to it and decided I'm just going to cut that spoiler off and build me a drag wing like the other cars I've done. Then I started on the hood scoop. Did a cow hood scoop for it. Did some side panels there to get rid of them dual pipes on them NASCAR style cars. I wanted this to look like a pro mod drag car, and she's looking good. Right now this thing is just set up, stock wiring, stock class. I'm not sure what's going to go on with it. Try to get my grandkids in it, but Dave did a great job on this paint job. If you guys, anybody needs a car painted, so I'm sure we'll get some more pictures and video of this out there, but